Yes, my CA final student. Just 40 days left for CA final examination. Are you still figuring out what to study, what not to study in CA final financial reporting paper? If this is the case, believe me, this video is going to save your attempt. In this video, I'll be sharing with the most expected question for CA final financial reporting paper for September 2025 exam, which is based on ICAI trained RTP, MTP and past year examination question. I'll be also telling how to use effectively all these questions from examination point of view and the top 95 questions which you are not supposed to skip. This entire list of questions is totally based on my past 15 years of teaching experience, and believe me, past attempt it has helped thousands of students to score exemption. Listen this video till the end, because at the end a big announcement is waiting for you all. But before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel if you want me to create more video of like this. Now let me inform you about the expected question list which will help you to score exemption FR. You will find the expected question where you will find out the expected question in this PDF only. When you go to this page and you can see all the expected questions and must do question from September 2025 exam is listed here. It is listed chapter wise. So where we'll get this PDF? This PDF you can download from my Telegram channel. The link of a Telegram channel is already given in the description of this video. But wait, don't go to Telegram channel right now. Believe me, getting the question is not important. How to use that question effectively from examination point of view, that is important. That I just want to share with you. Believe me, if you have the questions but you don't know how to use the question, you are not able to score exams in FR. So listen this video till the end. You can see all these questions are from my question bank. Means this question number whatever I have given, you can see chapter number 1 I have given 3 questions, and question number 3, question number 7, question number 10, it is as per my question bank 13 edition. But don't worry, if you are using my previous edition question bank, whether it is 10th edition, 11th edition and 12th edition, the question number remains same. There might be some new question which has been incorporated in my recent edition, which you can download from my Telegram channel. I hope you have already downloaded that particular questions. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now, just try to understand. If you are not using my question bank, then what to do? There is no need to buy my question bank, correct? Stick with the question bank, whatever you are using. If you are using ICAI study material, that is also well and fine. There is no need to buy the question bank, new question bank right now. So for your purpose, if you are not using my question bank, I have given all the questions chapter wise I have given, which will help you. You can see question number 3 in my question bank is this question which you can identify if you are using ICAI study material, RTP, MTP or any other faculty question bank, because questions remain same in all faculties question bank, because all the questions we take from where? From ICAI study material, RTP, MTP and past year examination question. Got this point? Yes, sir. So that you have understood that whether you are using my question bank, whether you are not using my question bank, these are the expected question list which is going to help you from examination point of view, correct? Now, if you see all the questions, because chapter wise it is given, if you come to one of the important chapters, suppose if I come to consolidation chapter, so in DS 110, you can see I have given 10 questions. These 10 questions are must. You need to study this question effectively. Okay, so if you come to business combination in DS 103, I have given 11 questions. If you come to any other chapter, for example, in DS 16, I have given 12 questions. From my point of view, to understand each and every concept, these 12 questions are very, very important. So this question has been designed in such a way that it will cover all the concept from examination point of view. Means doing question, understanding concept also. Correct now? So if you are doing this question, most of the concept of each and every Indians will be also covered. But as a how to use, because these are how many questions? If you see, these are total number is 246, means approximately 250 questions I have given. Sir, will die? No. Let me inform you how to study. So what I will suggest, if you are starting FR right now, so you should allocate 10 days or 12 days to FR. 10 days, I will say 10 days is sufficient. You should allocate 10 days. So I will suggest you to allocate 10 days, and can I say in one day you can easily study 10 hours, or of course if you are more effective then you can easily study 12 hours per day. It means 10 days into 10, 100 hours, 10 days into 12, 120 hours. So what I have given, 120 hours, 100 hours, I have given the number of hours required for each chapter. Means when you are in India's 2, you have only 1 hour. So in this 1 hour, you need to complete all that questions with the concept also. That will be your target. And in this way only we can cover entire concept with all the expected question list. With all the expected question list. Understood? Correct? Don't worry, I am going to give you the top 95 question also. Are you getting this 250 questions? If you can manage 250 questions, well and good. But if you are not able to manage 250 questions, there are top 95 questions which you are not supposed to skip from examination point of view. That question is also coming soon. But first listen it, whatever I am saying. If you can plan your study as whatever I have said, believe me, exemption pakka. Exemption is 100% sure. Correct? So what you would say? Either you give 100 hours or 120 hours. Means if you are studying only FR in one day, but in FR completely on one day, correct? Now it means 120 hours or 100 hours. So you need to just find out how many hours you should give chapter wise. Normally students give more hours to the chapter which require less time, and eventually they will have less number of hours for the chapter which require more time. It is quite possible. Sometimes what happened, you started with consolidation chapter, and you can see in consolidation chapter how many hours I have given. You can see I have given 21 hours. If you are studying for 120 hours, now it required 21 hours, but what happened? You go on solving the question, and eventually you find that you have given 40 hours. Can I say mismanagement of time? It is mismanagement time because you have only 120 or 100 hours. You need to give 21 hours to CFS, not more than that. In that 21 hours, you read entire concept, entire adjustment, and do all the expected question list. If you can do this, believe me, you can easily score good marks in FR. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now what I have done for your understanding, one more point. You can see I have divided these in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8. 8 part I have divided the entire syllabus. I will say study as per my planning. Means first study part 1 chapters, then go to part 2 chapter, then come to part 3 chapter. In this way, believe me, it will give you confidence. Don't start with consolidation or business combination, finance instrument, because normally when you start with consolidation, you take more time initially. So initially, it is quite possible you require some support, your mental support. And if you start with big chapters, it is quite possible either you are not able to understand it or you are taking more time to understand it. It will make your moral down. Understood? Start with simple chapters. Start with asset-based Indias, for example, Indias 2, Indias 16. That you will be able to understand easily, and you will not waste your time, and your moral will also be at highest level. Got this point? Yes, sir. Correct. So I will say study as per this planning, whatever I have given. Now, if you are studying as per this plan, I have also planned 5 chapter-wise tests, 5 chapter-wise test series. Okay, that will be given to you and that you can download from the Telegram channel. Once again, the link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video. My Telegram channel, join it. All the resources are given. All the resources, you can find out everything whatever is applicable for September 2025 exam. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now I have planned for 5 chapter wise test series, but this time normally what happens, whenever we give chapter wise, so in that we don't give MCQs, and that will be for 30 marks, 40 marks maximum. But now here each chapter wise test will be of 100 marks as per ICAI requirement. Means 30 marks MCQs and 70 marks descriptive. Means can I say 5 chapter wise tests, 100 marks, you will be able to understand the time management. That is more important. What I have understood in exam, FR exam, most of the students are not able to complete a question paper because of lack of time management. That is the point where you need to work out. Means you know the answer but you are not able to write it. You know the solution but you are not able to proceed. That is the difficult area. And sometimes what happens with MCQs, you are not able to manage the time. In MCQs, suppose you are supposed to give 30 to 40 minutes, but eventually you find that you have given more than that minute, which will once again will hamper your entire time for descriptive question. That you need to find out. 5 chapter wise test, 100 marks, then 1 grand mock test with full syllabus. This is going to help you under the for exam, because you will write down this entire test paper under my guidance as per exam condition. Understood? So this is the way to use. Now suppose, just try to understand. Now one doubt normally comes, sir, this is the expected list, we have understood, but do we need to solve all this question by writing? Of course, just try to solving. Right now you don't have much time. 100 hours solving, you will not be able to solve each question. For that purpose, I have minimized 246 questions. Okay, this you cover, but I have given top 95 questions. These questions should be given more importance. Correct? Means these are the questions which you are not supposed to skip. These are the questions which you are not supposed to skip. This is as per my past experience. I think from, I am not saying 100%, but there is high probability most of the question will come from top 95 questions. If it is not coming from top 95, of course it will come from 246 questions. That is 100% sure. But this is going to help you to save your time. So if you suppose want to solve some question by writing, you can use this question. For example, in consolidation chapter, if you can see, I have given 10 questions, correct? But in this list, where is the consolidation chapter? It is in days 1, 5 questions I have given only. So 5 questions you need to practice. You need to practice 5 questions. Got this point? Yes, sir. Chalega? Yes, sir. Now, this is understood. I hope now you have understood how to use effectively the expected question. And now one commitment I require. Commitment is what? Now 40 days left. Give your entire time to study. 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, whatever you committed yourself, you should give that time to study, because this 40 days will not come back again. Of course, after exam, you have a lot of time to scroll your Instagram reels, to scroll your whatever video you want to scroll, but this time is not going to come. Use this time effectively for your study. 10 hours, 12 hours or 14 hours, whatever you have committed to yourself, that you need to use it. I want a commitment from you right now in the comment box. Yes, sir, we are committed to study as per whatever commitment you have given to yourself. It can be 10 hours, it can be 12 hours, it can be 14 hours, whatever you have committed to yourself. Okay, I'm waiting for that message. Now, normally what I have seen that nowadays students are not able to concentrate. For that purpose, I have already informed you about my mentorship group. There are 2 mentorship groups. One is free mentorship group that you can join. There I always inform you about your target. I'll be informing you what you are doing and what you are not supposed to do. So that will be a checkpoint. If you are not right now serious in your study, so join that group. That is going to help. But if you want my entire guidance, there is one paid mentorship group that you can join, and of course in that I will give you one-to-one guidance. I will do the test paper assessment also. Means right now test paper will be given to you, but of course it is not possible to assess the test paper for everyone. So if you join my paid mentorship group, I will do the assessment and I'll give you the scope of improvement. What are the area you need to improve. Suppose if you are not writing the question properly, I will inform you that you need to improve this particular para, improve the way of writing, improve the format, improve the working note. Normally what happens, we know the answer but we don't know how to write it. We don't give working note, we don't write in proper format, and this is the area where some marks are deducted. Okay sir? Yes sir. So of course in this paid mentorship, daily effort doubt will be solved, test series will be given for which assessment will be conducted, as well as one-to-one guidance will be given. So this is going to help you. If you want to join. Now at last, I said about one big announcement which is waiting for you. What I am going to announce, that if you want to join my exam oriented batch, this time I have created one exam oriented batch which is based on subscription model, because right now what happened, of course you will not purchase my entire exam oriented batch. It is quite possible right now you are weak in one or two chapters, and you want to you want to go through that chapter. So right now it is quite possible you don't have any resource for that. So you can buy my exam oriented batch. Fully will be given for 1 month, one view. Correct now. It will be given for 1 month, one view. Whatever chapter you want to listen, listen it. Whatever question you want to practice, practice it. The index will be provided. Based on that index, you can see the lectures, whatever you want to listen. It is only at 1499. But right now, if you comment in my mentorship group, free mentorship group, that you want to join it, the first 50 member, the price will be 999. But for that, you need to join my free mentorship group and comment in that free mentorship WhatsApp group that you want to avail exam oriented batch. The first 50 students, it will be given at 999. You can join it from my website. In website, the price is 1499 for 1 month and one view. Got this point? I hope this video is going to help you. Correct? All the best for your examination preparation. Don't worry, I'll be with you till the end. You are writing the exam. Bye bye. Love you all.